Hello everyone, this is Supraza. I am currently working as a Salesforce developer at Magnity Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about approval processes for claims.
And our today's agenda is to go through a demo on approval process for claims for three different departments like legal, police, and medical departments. And when a claimant successfully submits his claim, he will uh, he will upload some relative documents regarding police police affairs or some medical reports and all based on the type and severity of the incident. And here we are going to talk about three different department approvals, and those are legal department, police department, and medical department. For legal department, by default, all claims are submitted to the legal department, and they will validate the claim by checking required details and all. For police department, they will check some documents like whether the incident is reported to police or an FIR is registered or not. They will validate and check these documents are correctly submitted or not, and then they will approve or reject the claim. For medical department, they will check documents related to our injuries and all. Like if a claimant if the claimant got injured during the incident, he will submit some medical reports, right? Like discharge bills, discharge summaries, hospital transaction bills, and also some admission time and all. They will validate all these documents, and they will decide whether to approve or reject this claim. And once the approver rejects or approves the claim, the status will be saved back to the claim. And this is how it looks like when a legal department try to approve or reject the claim. They will check the required details and they will write down a comment. Like if it looks good, they will comment like, yeah, everything is fine and I'm going to approve this. Or if he didn't want to approve this claim and he thinks something is missing, he needs some more data to approve this claim, he will comment that too, and he will say he is rejecting this claim. And and after that, police department checks for FIRs and is the document is really valid and all. If you see here, if they need some more documents for the verification, so the police department is rejecting this claim, and they are commenting the same while they were rejecting the claim. The required documents are missing and I'm rejecting this. And for the medical department, it's the same. They'll comment down what their analysis and they will approve or reject the claim. And this is how, finally, this is how we can track the approval status back in the saved back to the claim record. These are the sections in claim record page where we can find the approval status, like legal department is approved and police verification it is rejected, and also the rejection reason was also saved back to know what exactly went wrong and what they want and why they rejected this claim. And for medical verification, it was approved, and this is nothing but the police verification record. Police verification and medical verification are two different child objects of claim. These are just the lookup for records for these particular claim of those objects. And let's get started with the demo. Let me just go to my org. If you see here, a claimant called Zondo already submitted his claim successfully. He went to the FNOL application, that is first notice of loss application, and he submitted his claim. And let's go here. Let me refresh. If you see, I can here see the Zondo's claim. I'm gonna open that. Let me see, my work is getting slow. Here you can see that the legal verification, the legal department approval field was saved as in progress, and same with the police and medical too, because when the approval process is invoked and it was in the initial stage before an approver rejects or approves the claim, this is how it shows like the approval process is in progress. These fields got updated after the claimant submitted his claim and the approval process is invoked and it's in the initial stage. And let me log in as an approver, then you will get a clarity how it all works out. And when an approval process is invoked on three different departments, and notification will be sent to the respective department approvers. And let me log in as a legal department member, and I will try to reject or approve the, and I logged in as Kiara, the legal department approval. Let me go to the notifications. There's a notification for me. John Doe is requesting approval for a claim. Let me click on that notification. Here I can see an approval request page. I can see approve, reject, and reassign buttons here. And the submitter is John Doe, and his initial comment submitting request for an approval. And if you see here, the legal department approval is in progress state. As a legal department approver, I need to check some details in the policy too. Let me open the policy. Let me go to the details. Let me check the policy details of Zondo. The named insured was Zondo. Okay. The product he selected for insurance is multi-auto. Yes, he had a collision of his automobile, like he has a car accident, and the expiration date is here, and the policy is active, and he paid all the bills. And yes, I think I have. Let's say I checked these details, and I'm fine with those details. And let me go back to the approval request page. I came back to the approval request page, and I'm trying to approve this a particular claim as a legal department member. Oops. Fine. Approve. Let me comment like this, and let's say approve. And the claim was approved. If you see here, the legal department approval field changed from in progress to approved, because I just approved the claim, right? Here, if you can see the Kiara Adams, the legal department member, commenter looks fine and approved the claim. And let me log in as a police department member and approver, and let me verify and validate a claim. I log in as a police department approver. Let's go to the notifications. Here I can see Zondo is requesting approval for a police verification. The approval request page was open. Let me click on this claim, related claim, and let me check some details. Let me go to the related. I'm trying to find police department related documents. Like here I can see an FIR. Let me open this. let's say the FIR was uploaded by claimant correctly, and I think this FIR is valid, and let's say I did some background verification, and it's a correct document, and I'm fine with this FIR, and I want to approve the police verification. I want to approve this claim from police verification department. Let me, I came back to the approval request page. I'm clicking on approve everything. Let's say like documents are valid, approved. Let's say approve. And if you see here, the police approval changed from in progress to approved, and the police verification approval is good. And these are the comments that Jesse, who is an police department approver, he commented like these documents are valid and I approve. And let me log in as a medical department approver now. Let's say Harvey is a medical department approver. Let me go to the notifications. Here I can see the approval request notification. Let me click on that. And this is the medical verification approval request page. And this is the record of the child object medical verification object. And let me click on this claim. Let me see some details. This is Zondo's policy, and the policy number is this one. And it was a collision. And the medical already legal police got approved, and my medical approval is pending, and medical verification status is currently in progress. Let me go to the related documents. Let me look for medical related documents, like there's a discharge summary. Let me go through that. Okay, let's say I verified these documents. There's a reason for hospitalization and physical examination and all. And let's go back to the doctor's prescription. There's a doctor's prescription for medicines and all. Yeah, let's say this looks good too. But I need some more documents, like what are the transactions he made at the hospital. I need those bills also. I think I need some required documents are missing. Let me go back to the approval request page for medical verification, and let me click on reject. I'm rejecting this claim because required documents are missing. Let's say reject. And now if I go back to the details page of this claim and refresh, what I can see is the legal verification, it was approved and there is no rejection reason. The police verification, its related account, related record, and also the police verification was approved, and there was also no rejection reason for police verification. But coming to the medical verification, that verification got the medical department rejected this claim and they need some more documents, and then they commented like required documents are missing. And this is how we can go through approval process for 3 different departments, and we can approve or reject as an approver based on the validations and the details they check. So this is the functional side of the approval process for claims. Thank you for listening to this session. Thank you.